Hello, this is Calvin's. Today I want to show you an application that we can use in our savings group. We call it Savings Management System or the Sacco application. So let me logging in. This is the logging in window. So you are able to be presented with a login window here where you put in your role, maybe admin, the username. Okay. Then you put in your password. Then if they are okay, you'll be logged in successfully. So we are logged in. So this is the dashboard for the system. So you can see within the dashboard here, you're able to see most of the summary that we have. Can have total members at 12, total share capital 6,000. So this is summary, okay? At a glimpse, you can see what is taking place. So we can add members. So you can here you add a member. So maybe oh sorry, the name uh, John Makupa. So you can say John Makupa. Okay. Then the date of birth, we have put the date of birth. Okay. Okay, just for demonstration. So the postal address, maybe box. Okay. Then maybe the ID number. ID number. All right. Then the phone number. Then the email. Just for demonstration, next of kin. Then the phone number of the next of kin. Then this is the registration date or membership date. Then there is a fee that we have to pay when we are registering members, right? Because this one is a savings group, so maybe 500. Then you upload the image. So you navigate to wherever you are keeping the image of these particular members. So let me have this one here. So then also upload the signature. Okay, so the signatures the same. You navigate to wherever you are having their scanned signatures. So let me say this one here. So now these are the details of this person. Then you save. All right. So member added successfully. So we have saved that particular member. So you can close that. So you can as well update a member if the information is not very right. You can update this particular member. You enter, then all the details are here. So you can update anything that you want to update. Okay, image, the signature, and so on. So you can as well delete a member. If you want to delete a member, just put in the ID. Okay, then hit enter. Then these are the details. So you can delete through here. Okay, so that is how you can delete a member. Then you can also view the membership. So you can view all the members in your savings group. So you can see all these are members, and these are the registration fee. Okay, so all these are members. The one we've just registered is here, John Makupa. This one is the very last member. Okay, so then now after registering member, uh, we will be able to collect savings every month. Okay, so deposit saving, maybe a member want to deposit a saving. For example, the member we've just registered, hit enter. So you can see we want to say is saving 2,000. That is savings for this particular month. Okay, savings date is here. Okay, so we saving. We are saving that one. So that saving is recorded successfully. So you can as well update a saving for a member. So you can put the member details. Then this is the amount that we've just deposited for this member. So you can update it appropriately. Then you click update. All right. So that's how the members will be depositing saving. So you can also view savings for the members. So all the savings will be here. So you will be able to view savings for one member. So if you enter the ID for that particular member, you will be able to view all the savings done by that member. So you can see this member has been saving here. These are all the savings date and all the details here. The total savings 8,500 is also put up here. So you can view the savings for any member. Okay. So any member you want to view, you can just view. Okay. Any member you want to view, you can just view. You can see I'm viewing them. Maybe okay, you can see. So you can view. Let me view the one we just saved. Okay. Okay, this one here. Yes, just saved once. All right. So, and that is the person here called Makuba. So that's how you will be able to view savings for members. So you can also have loans. So remember, when they have done the savings, they will be able to be applying for the loan. Okay, so there's loan calculator here. A member may want to apply for a loan of 20,000. So you will just enter the loan amount, then the term. Remember, loan term we normally use months. In this case, don't use years, use months. So maybe this person is repaying within 2 months the amount here, 20,000, or within 3 months. Okay, so then you compute how much is supposed to be paid monthly and how much is going to be the total payment. So you can see when this person is applying for 20,000, you will be able to pay 10,125 monthly, and the total payment will be 20,250. So depending on the interest rates that you've made as a setting in your system. Okay, so after knowing the repayment amount, you will be able to come and have the details of loan application here. Maybe this person here is applying for a loan, the person we just registered. So then we search. So this is the person. Yes, is having a total loan qualified is 6,000. Remember, the system will give you the loan qualified for every member whenever they are applying for a loan. So you cannot give past that. Okay, you can give below that or you can give exactly that. So let us give exactly that. 6,000 is qualified for that. So you save. Okay, loan ready, save successfully. So that is just an application placed. So because you have applied for this person, this loan need to be approved. So we go to loan approval. So in loan approval, we'll come and put the ID of that person. We enter. So this is the amount this person has applied for. So we will be able to view it, review it, then actually we'll be able to look at it, then either approve or reject. Okay, so let us say we have approved that loan. The duration is 2 months. Okay, 2 months. Then we save. So that loan is currently active. It has been approved and now it has been disbursed to that particular person. So that is how we will be able to apply for loan and approve for loan. So let us view loans. These are loans which have been approved within the system. So as you can see, this person here who have just applied for loan and his loan has been approved, you can see the loan detail is down here. It's supposed to be, you can see remaining balance is 6,070 because it's applying for a loan of 6,000. Remaining balance as at now is 6,075, and repayment amount is 3,037.55, and loan period is 2 months. Okay, so that is the loan details of this particular loan the person has just applied, and all these are loans which have been approved. Okay, so they are now active, and now we let us view. You can then we can now view loan repayments. So after a month, somebody can start repaying his or her loan. And you can now see these are the details of loan repayments. This person here has not repaid, can see. So he's waiting for a month to elapse, then start paying. So these are other loan repayments. Okay. So you can see like this person here, remaining balance is 0. So you can always view. Let me view. Let me view loan repayment for this person here called Molu. So 222,45182. So for this person here, you can see the remaining amount is still this one. On this particular loan is not yet done with that loan. So you can always view loan repayment for members, okay? All right. So then what about loan statements? Somebody has repaid for a loan until completion. Some people are in the process, they're still repaying, but you can view statements or that particular loan, okay? So let's, for example, let us view this particular person. We see the loan repayment or loan statement, okay? So for this person here, okay, let us look at the time frame, from, let me say from February, maybe February 4th up to today. Then we filter. So you can see we are able to view the repayments until this person is now having balance of 0, which means he has repaid for this loan. Everything has been repaid for, okay? So you can even export this one. Let me export, all right? Let me export, or let me uh, save this one on the desktop. So we have already saved this one. So on the desktop it is there. So that is statement for that person. We will look at it. Okay, so that's how you will be looking at the statements. So then you may have investments. Remember, saving group, you may want to venture into different investments. So you need to incorporate that one into your system. So you will have to add income source types. For example, source type like farming, okay, real estate, okay, transport, and so on. So if you want to deal in maybe real estate, just put real estate, then description, maybe some rentals. You want to have some rental houses, okay? Then that will be your income source. Or you can put something like transport. So in transport, you can say maybe uh, something like PSV vehicle, okay? Then you save, okay? So maybe farming. So it will depend with your source income. Maybe something like chicken rearing. So whichever source income you have, just save that one, and the source income will be saved, okay? So that will be how you will be saving your source income. Then you can also update the source income. Like once you want to update our source income, we've just added maybe farming, and we've said chicken rearing. You can update anything here, then you update, okay? So that is how you will update that. You can also delete, okay? Then after that, you will be able to add income source items. Like for example, we said if you say retail shop, then the source name is retail shop, then the description is shop items. So you may want to add the items that you will be dealing with in your shop, like sugar, things like rice, whatever you want to sell, whatever you want to deal with, you put them here one by one, you save them, okay, and their prices and so on. So that is what we'll be doing. You can also update the source income items, or yes, you can update. For example, sugar, you said it is 250, but you can change the cost price, okay, and you can update anything. Like now, quantity is 167. So these are income source items, okay, that you'll be dealing with. So those are very, very important. So transaction, you'll be recording sales. Once you've started now doing business, you'll be recording sales. Maybe it's a shop, you have to record the sales. So item description, because we are dealing with shop or retail shop, these are the items. Maybe 1 kilogram of sugar, price is there, both selling and the cost price. Then you in stock is given here. Then you say quantity which is now being bought. Then you say okay, so that means 10 have been bought at this time and this day. So that's how you'll be recording sales. All right. So you can also update sales. If you want to update any sale, you just come, for example, this one we just made, this one here. So you can update any sale. You just click on it like that. Then you can see, you can update if it is a quantity, you can update. Sale ID is also here, which is this one here. So you can update anything here. You can update the price, quantity, okay? Then you update, you click update. So that one you shall have changed some detail over that, okay? So you can update all that. You can also view sales. So this one will give you sales which have been done, all the sales which have been done, okay? So you can also record purchases, update purchases, view purchases, record expenses. So things like expenses which you are incurring in your business, you have to actually record them here, okay? They are very, very important. As you can see on the dashboard here, you can see expenses must be seen somewhere here. Okay, the expenses and the fines, all those are here. Okay, so you can also view expenses if you like. So you can also manage users. You can add users here. Okay, you can also view users if you want to view. You can also update user if you want to update some detail of a user. Just come and update them from there. So this one is a very, very ideal system that we can use in our savings group or even a Sacco. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.